All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Elizabeth, and I'd like to talk to you today about other people. Specifically, what do others have to do with the choices we make about the environment? Well, researchers have long looked at whether knowing what peers are doing can affect our environmental choices. For example, hotel guests who learn that a majority of previous visitors have reused their towels are more likely to do the same. Homeowners, informed that they're using more energy than their neighbors, are more likely to reduce consumption. And social norms have helped reduce vandalism in national parks. Today, though, I want to talk about an exploratory study using a different kind of peer influence. Rather than comparing people to others who are doing better, we stressed learning from other people's mistakes. Here's what I mean. We surveyed 644 people about using the hot water setting on their washing machines for a daily load of laundry. Since hot water uses a lot more energy, we wanted to explore ways to encourage cold water use. We randomly assigned participants to receive either a general message about cold water being cheaper or our intervention prompt. Last year, other people who only used hot water spent about $240 more on their electric bills. Don't join them. In the end, those who learned what other people had missed were 15% more likely to report they would switch to cold water. Now, it's important to note that this was just an exploratory study with limitations. For example, participants were reporting what they would do rather than actually doing it. But results suggest that learning from others' mistakes can be another tactic for reducing energy use. More research is necessary, but pointing out what others have missed and providing clear steps for how to avoid that situation may help us better make environmental choices. While this is just a small example, better choices add up. In many ways, that's what Earth Day is all about.